So I got pretty lucky and one of my neighbors dug up part of their hosta plant. The problem is I just don't want to plant one in my yard. I want to make this into multiple plants. So I need to split them. Hey everyone, welcome to my channel, and today I'm going to help you divide hostas. The first way is just gently breaking them off with your hands. This may take a little bit of force. It's not going to hurt the plant because these roots grow really quickly. There's one, little baby one's coming up here. Another way is to use a gardening knife. See the serrated edges? So I can see some buds coming here. I'm just gonna cut. The next way is going to be taking off all of the dirt with some water. So I think the third method I'm going to continue using is getting rid of all the dirt and exposing these wonderful roots. They get to a point where they're not tangled and you can run your fingers through them. And it's very easy to split by hand. I'd recommend spraying off the roots of your hosta clumps, carefully pulling apart, and your roots will come right out. See how it's been cut straight through? That's fine, it's gonna grow. But these are really nice root system. So I'd hate to give up a root system. So of these three ways of splitting my hostas, the first method where I ripped it apart dry took a lot of effort. It's not my favorite. Using a garden knife was very fast. It took no effort at all. I did hear less ripping of the roots and breaking of the roots than I did with the first, but it works. My favorite method, which I'll continue to use, is going to be rinsing off with water. Get rid of all that dirt, expose the root system, clean them off, and you can gently pull apart without any breaking or very minimal breaking. See, there's a lot of really nice sections.